Hi everybody, so we'll be starting with the Preamble of Constitution. So the first country to bring up this idea of preamble was America, and we'll be starting with the preamble, in which points will be covered like the source of the preamble, then objectives, nature, and the date of adoption. Before that, let's have a look here. Based on objectives resolution, it was drafted and moved by Pandit Nehru, and 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976, which is also referred to as the mini constitution, added socialist, secular, and integrity in the preamble. Now, these cases, Berubari Union Case 1960, in this, SC held that preamble is not a part of constitution. In Keshwananda Bharti case and LIC case of India, preamble was considered as the part of constitution. And one more thing, preamble can be amended provided that there is no change in the basic structure of the constitution. Now, we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. We the people of India means all the people who belong to India, who are Indian citizens. We are the source of authority of constitution. And the nature of Indian state is sovereign, that means an independent state. Socialist, we rely on democratic socialism, which is mixed economy, wherein private and public sectors coexist together. Then secular, which means all religions are respected and treated equally. Democratic, you know that we are the people who give the power to the government, we elect the government directly or indirectly. Then republic means the head of Indian state is elected, right? Before that, when it was monarchy, the head of state was hereditary. Now, the objectives include justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, and this is of various types: social, economic, and political. Then, liberty, which means absence of restraints, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. And of course, law is something that regulates each and everything. Then, equality of status and opportunity. Every person should be treated equal. Fraternity, which means brotherhood. Unity and integrity of the nation is something that is demanded. And integrity, as I told you, was added by 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Same is the case with socialist and secular, right? At the end, in our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. So the date of adoption was 26th November 1949. Also, one thing, social, economic, and political, the idea of justice has been taken from the Russian Revolution. These three are the ideas of Russian Revolution. Then we have liberty, equality, fraternity, which have been taken from the French Revolution. Okay, the French Revolution. And for equality, as I told you, that we have fundamental rights which ensure civic equality, like equality before the law, which is there in Article 14. Then we have Article 15, which prohibits the discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, etc. Then equality of opportunity of employment, which is there in the Article 16. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. And yes, preamble is non-justiciable, that is, it is not enforceable in the courts of law.